Hey everybody, I'm back with another grocery haul. Don't have a very big one this time. If you saw my haul just a few days ago from last week, you saw that I picked up quite a few things on that trip to 3 stores. So today I went to 2 places, Aldi and Meijer, and I'm going to show you what I got. I have them all sitting here together, and I'll tell you when it stops from Aldi and starts with Meijer. So first off, I got this at Big Lots. I had to stop in there for something else I was looking for, and so I bought this Bavarian style sauerkraut there before, so I picked that up. And so now from Aldi, creamy French dressing, mandarin oranges, a can of cherry pie filling for a recipe, along with the 2 boxes of vanilla pudding and the crushed pineapple. That's all for a recipe that I'm making. And sorry about that, my phone's going off. I needed some powdered sugar and pecans. The pecans are also for the recipe. Limes, shredded cheese, Parmesan cheese, French fried onions. I love these things. When I cook green beans, I put them in at the last minute. I also love them on salads. We go through these quite a bit. They're a seasonal item at Aldi, and they do have them right now. Italian seasoned croutons for salads, veggie straws, a bag of bugles, 2 containers of sour cream, and 3 containers of Cool Whip. That's also for the recipe. And these 2 heads of cabbage and green onions. And that concludes what I got at Aldi. Not very many things at all. And then at Meijer, I got Bounty paper towels. Those were on sale for a half price this week, so that was a good deal. Some more veggie straws. These are ranch, the other ones are plain, and those were also on sale, so I thought I'd just go ahead and grab them while I was there. Some of this butter flavored puff corn, some sour cream and onion ripple potato chips, a 3-pack of romaine, a loaf of bread, a bag of the mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to make an angel food cake and put chocolate chips in it like we usually buy at the Amish bakery, so I'm going to give that a try here at home. Picked up just quick things for the weekend, some ham salad and some egg salad. We have another busy work weekend here at the brick house, so we probably will just be kind of eating on the go, so those things will help. 2 rolls of Bob Evans sausage. Those were on sale. Next week I'm going to make egg roll in a bowl, so one of those will be for that. The other one will be a backup. Folgers coffee. I like to try to never pay more than $4.99 or $5.99 for the big 25 ounce of coffee, and this was on sale this week for, I think it was $5.99. I got 2 of these Value Time chicken noodle soups. What I like about these, they're only 40 calories per serving, and when you're watching your calories, that's kind of nice to have. That's the lowest of chicken noodle soup that I found, and it's really good. We've had it before. The Olive Garden Light Italian, we go through this stuff. Everyone loves it, and I make salad quite often, so it's not going to focus, but this one's really, really good. White cake mix, that's for the punch bowl cake that I'm making. 2 things of Ritz crackers. One is bacon flavored, the other one is roasted veggie. 2 things of the organic eggs, extra large. Look at the price on those, 80 cents. So I bought 2 of those. And then chicken was on sale, $1.67 a pound for boneless skinless chicken breast in the family size pack, which is a really good deal. So I went ahead and just picked up 2 of those. I'll divide those probably 2 or 3 per package and put those in the freezer. So that's it, you guys. Super quick grocery haul, 2 stores. And I know I need to do better with telling you prices, but I don't have them. It wasn't much this week. I don't even really remember, so I'll do better with that. Alright, so that's a look at what we picked up at the grocery store, and I hope you're having a great week and have a great weekend. One last thing, I think I forgot to mention these Lean Cuisine garlic chicken spring rolls. I have been looking for these. I think her name is Jennifer on Cook, Clean, and Repeat. She talks about how delicious these are, and so I thought that would be fun to try. And actually there's no stores around here that have carried them that I have found, so I found them today at Meijer, and I forgot to mention those, so we will give those a try and see how yummy they are. I'm sure they will be.